Hello, Dr. Flynn. Hope you're having a very great day. So, this is a small video about my Android application, the final project. I did a very small and simple Android application, but I have tried to fulfill everything like database, which you have asked, and some functionality. But as I am learning and doing Android, and I don't know, pretty I'm not a huge Java fan. I just know the basics of Java, so it took me a lot of time. But if the project was extended like for 3 more weeks, then I might have given a very better app because it takes time for me to code. So anyway, so coming to the point, so let's execute my code. So in this video, first I'm going to show you how to compile the application, how to run it, and how it is transferred in the emulator, and I will show you all the features of my application and explain what exactly a particular button does or everything in my application. And finally, I will explain the code of my project. In the code also I will highlight the database feature and how the database is integrated in my application and how it is working. Pretty much that's it. So let's go ahead and click on Android Studio. Oh, my IDE is Android Studio and it is powered by IntelliJ platform, and I'm executing my project under Android platform, and my Android Studio version is 1.2.2. So I'm already have loaded the project. So my project is cars database. My project name is cars database, and my Android Studio version 1.2.2, and the source of my particular code is this. And before explaining everything, just let me go and show you like what exactly are there. So these are the particular Java classes which I have written, and these is the sources of the images which I have used in the application, and this is the activity dot underscore main dot xml file, which tells you the design or the text of the uh, particular application. So before doing everything, let us run the application by clicking on this option. So the Cradle is getting executed, and by the way, this is the design of my particular project. I will explain you about the design in the later video, and I'm like in the next part of the video. As my emulator is already running, so I will just click on OK to run the emulator. So here is my emulator which has opened, and I hope that, and this is the particular project or the application which I have created. So cars database is the name of the application, and this is the application about for writing the comments on the cars which I have included in my website. So there are pretty much few functionalities in it, so don't worry about this. This is a comment created by a user, and which is stored in database and displayed by the database displaying what exactly is in the database. So anyhow, let's go and show you it. This is step by step. This is an image file which I have included the cars images, and this is a button. On clicking, you will get the next image of the car. So, and I have created a loop, so whenever the images of the cars are done, and it will go to the first option. So pretty much that's it. So like this, I have only included 3 cars, but I can include as number of cars I want. The beauty of my code is that you just need to include the references of the particular image files, and it will automatically generate how many images you want to display. It will write the code, because it will display the image, because I wrote the code in such a way that it will auto increment. So anyway, I will explain all that stuff in the next part of the video. So coming to the application, so this is the comment section where you can write the comments. So let's write a comment. RTD. So okay, so I'm just writing RE so that I don't want to write enter. So I'm just clicking on add. So this, by clicking on add, this particular comment will be added to the database, and so let's do, and it will be displayed here. Wow, here we go, it's displayed here. And now let's go ahead and use this button to delete this particular comment. You can write whatever you want, but make sure that you type the exact. So if I type Audi, so I'm trying to delete, but it won't get deleted because A is capital in my particular